Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit page here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing a page in Adobe Express is very easy and flexible whether you're working on a single page design or a multi-page project. How? Alright, so I want you to click on the design or project that you're working for you to be able to edit it. In my case, all I have to do is go to the left side panel of your dashboard that says your stuff, because you can access projects, files, brands, libraries, and shared calendars. You can create and organize content in a project for easy sharing. If you click that, this is going to be the page that I am working right now. And there's going to be a 3 dots icon wherein all I have to do is click this edit button for you to be able that page. Click on it. And of course, you would be forwarded to the design that you're working. Right? If you want to edit a single page design, all right, all I have to do is go to the element section on the left side panel of your dashboard. And of course, you can add elements more. Or if you want to add a new page for that, since the first design is already completed, just click on the same size. And from here, you can add more elements as you go along. You go to the media, can put as many as video as you want. All right. Put all these in one place. Go here. And once you're happy with this design, all right, make sure that you have edited all of it. You want to make sure you go to the download section, wherein you have all these options for you to download these files accordingly. You can choose for PNG, JPEG, PDF, or MP4 file. You can also go to the share button on the upper right corner, wherein if you want to share this link to your client or your boss, just copy that link, right? You can give them an access privilege. They can edit or can comment. And if you want to save a copy of this amazing design, go to this option wherein you can save it to cloud like Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. All right? Because the idea is if you're working on a multi-page design, for example, like a flyer, brochure, or presentation, you can just follow these steps again. All right? And then from there, you might want to put all the specific pages in a single page design. All right? It's very easy. Just make all of the elements are well placed together. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.